Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to be talking about how to optimize your YouTube videos to show up in their search and rankings. If you haven't been doing videos, it's really important to start doing them this year in 2023. You have to have a video marketing strategy. And when you do your videos, you can use them on social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. And you can use them for your blog post as well. So when you're adding a video to YouTube, rather than just uploading it and hoping somebody views it, there's a few tips that I want to talk about today. Look and do your keyword research. So look at other videos that are similar to yours, see what tags they're using, see how many views, and when you're doing this, you're going to look at the videos that have the most views, so you're able to see, okay, what's gotten them those views, what keywords are they using. And so that's tip number one, making sure you're doing your keyword research. Tip number two, incorporate those keywords within your video title and your description. So once you've done the keyword research, you know which, so maybe this is going to be social media tips for travel agents. I would want to have that in my title and my description. So make sure you're incorporating those keywords and also utilizing them in your tags as well. Number three, optimize your description. So you have your title, you have your description. Your description does not need to be your full blog post. This is going to be a short description that's going to be specific to what that video is about, utilizing those keywords. And that doesn't mean every other sentence or every other word needs to be that keyword, but think of maybe 5 keywords that video is on and implement those keywords into your description. Number 4, use a custom thumbnail. This is something that does take a little bit more time, and you really need to think of what that brand is, your overall brand, because creating a custom thumbnail, what I would recommend doing is going into Canva, searching YouTube cover photo, and creating anywhere between 5 and 10 templates where all you have to do is swap out. Maybe you have different photos of you that you want to use, or you have stock photos you want to use, but the template is the same with your brand colors, your brand font. So then that's where it's quick and easy. You're just swapping out the title, maybe an image, and then using that on your video. YouTube does, suggest thumbnails, but a lot of times you get the, pictures of you in mid-sentence and they think that that's the best one. So I suggest highly creating a custom thumbnail for your videos to stand out. And that also allows your audience, as they're viewing, to make sure that they see, rather than just seeing your beautiful face, they also see what that video is about, which then will entice them to click onto that video even more. So last but not least is add subtitles, closed captions. Most people are more likely to watch a video with closed captions and the sound completely down because they're at work, they're doing something, and it's easy for them to just read the captions. And so this is also important when you are putting your videos onto social media. So Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok and Instagram both have a great closed caption feature. So make sure you are utilizing those tools. And with YouTube, it also does allow you to do closed captions. And if you have your script, you can upload that directly into YouTube, but it will have the closed captions for you. So make sure that you are implementing your video strategy this year. If you need help or have questions on how to create that video strategy, what those videos should be about, you need help with the technical side of it, let us know. We're here to help. You can head on over to socialspeaknetwork.com. Thanks, guys.